In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video on your Wix website seamlessly and effectively. Whether you're showcasing a new product, sharing a tutorial, or simply adding engaging content, embedding a video can significantly enhance the user experience on your site. Let's get started with this step-by-step walkthrough. First, make sure you're in the right place by heading to the Wix website editor. This is the platform where all the magic happens in customizing and editing your site to reflect your brand's identity. Once you're in the editor, one of the first tasks you'll need to accomplish is adding elements. Take a look at the left-hand side of your screen and find the Add Elements icon. Click on it to open a menu that displays different opportunities to enhance your site with new content. With the Add Elements menu open, the next step is to locate and click on the Embed Code option. This is an essential part of the process because it allows you to bring external content like a YouTube video directly into your spectacular Wix site. Once you've selected Embed Code, go ahead and opt for Embed HTML from the subsequent options that will appear. This choice sets you up perfectly to insert the video content we'll obtain from YouTube. Next, let's talk about the video itself. Make your way over to YouTube, which is a treasure trove of video content. When there, choose the video you wish to embed on your Wix site. It could be your latest vlog, an instructional guide, or anything else that you want your audience to see. Once you have your video picked out, right-click on it. A set of options will appear, and you should look for and select Copy Embed Code. This action copies a unique piece of code to your clipboard that represents your chosen video. Now that you have the embed code stored safely on your clipboard, switch back over to the Wix website editor sheets. You're ready to paste the embed code into the HTML box you earlier set up. Simply right-click within the HTML box on Wix and select Paste. This will drop the embed code into the exact spot where you want your video to appear. Finally, make sure everything is looking perfect and up to your standards by clicking on Update. This ensures that the video is embedded correctly and is live on your site for all visitors to engage with. And there you have it. You've masterfully embedded a YouTube video into your Wix site. This quick and straightforward process will now allow you to provide a rich and dynamic experience for your audience. Enjoy sharing content in a more visual and engaging way, and watch how it elevates your website's appeal.